MWC continues to be one of the smartphone industry's biggest stages. This year, vendors continued to put the innovation at the forefront to capture the attention of delegates walking by with eye-catching concepts. One of the most attention-grabbing products of this year was Honor's robot phone, combining advanced camera technology with AI and robotics in one, getting many of the 100,000 plus delegates walking by taking pictures. Xiaomi was another one with its hypercar concept, dragging many people onto the stage, both to see its Xiaomi 17 Ultra series and also the Leica camera concept that we had announced during the weekend. A trend that was spreading this year as well was foldables. We've seen more foldables pop up across different vendors. We had Honor's Magic V6, we had the Motorola Razr Fold, and also ZTE's Nubia Fold coming around. These phones are not only about capturing premium share, which many vendors have ambitions to do, but also about getting stronger share of voice and getting stronger attention inside the industry, which is very important at such an event. And of course, the same as the last 2 years, AI continues to be a major topic, although my impression was that it was a little more toned back than in the previous years. It's getting a bit more practical, a little more about the user experience and how the engagement happens. And I think this is a really important development because the real threat for smartphone vendors is really what happens if the over 1 billion users of AI apps on smartphones decide that they rather want to interact with the chatbot interface and the AI apps they use to navigate around their devices rather than using the default app interface that we all are so experienced and used to. And new for this year as well is also that AI is becoming more physical. We're starting to see some quite new concepts and really advanced technology showcasing what it can do. One was AI pets with some quite adorable eyes and some teddy bear looking designs, which I'm sure captured a lot of attention. And we also had more than ever humanoids walking around, some in the boxing ring, some simply walking, and some even doing backflips and moonwalking. But MWC is also an event of two sides. You have the front side, which is about the future, it's about what is next, and then you have the back side, which is a lot more blunt and real for what will happen in the industry over the upcoming years. Of course, this is what happens inside most of the meetings that go on. And the big topic for this year is the memory crisis. Players across the industry are concerned and they're nervous about how things will develop. We forecast on an upside that the market will decline by 7% this year. The potential downside can reach as far down as minus 15% year over year. So there are good reasons for vendors to figure out how to best mitigate this and handle the situation efficiently. The question we're trying to help our clients and our contacts with right now is not just how the situation evolves and what it takes to gain insight, but how vendors best can restructure and find the new opportunities that matters to win and come out stronger at the other end. Not just to survive, not just to gain in the short term, but to figure out what inside their business models really matter for success in the decade to come.